Jordan Schaefer.
Oh, yeah.
You've got a raffle winner, $20 from $20 off the cupcake. That is Jordan Schaefer and Monica Hoppins out there by the food stand. Skylar Blake up the bat for pitching. Miss Barr playing catcher. Bucket? Crowd, what do you think about the bucket? You want to go? Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You have to be kidding me. Did you really just do that?
Everybody's gonna hate you.
You have to be kidding me.
You gotta bring it like right next to her.
I paid to watch this, and they did that. You have to be kidding me.
Ew! Smells. Holy crap, that's horrible. No! Dude, this is horrible.
Abigail Miller, are you going to do some slime?
I just take a whole bucket and I just crush her with it.
Nick Thomas now with the play-by-play. He is one of Miss Barr's students.
Hey, Miss Barr, you smell bad!
Miss Barr needs a shower!
Abigail!
Maybe you'll think again before giving us poetry homework.
Good job, Abigail. Very nice. Now pitching.
So friggin' slime. Come on, Parker! Parker!
Parker! Here comes Parker Hoppins. Now, he is one of Miss Barr's students. We're saving Miss Barr's students here for the end. Does the crowd have any requests now? Because we've only got 2 big slimers left. Any requests from the crowd? What do you say, crowd? Uh-oh. Parker Hopkins, good job. And now,
Parker!
for the final Slimers, teamwork, double team. Let's hear it for our final Slimers, the actual students of Miss Barr. Taylor Giles, Jenny Castro. What do you want the final Slimers to do, folks?
Hey guys, back up, back up.
Well, we gotta hear some suggestions. We gotta hear. What do you want? What do you want?
Stop it!
Here, let me see. I give it to you.
What are they doing? Are you gonna pick up that bucket? Are you gonna? What?
Keep doing this.
Dump it.
Dump it! Dump it! Dump it! Dump it! Oh, let's get on ahead!
Please let's give a round of applause and a special thank you.
Get ready to burn off 5,000 calories.
Miss Barr.
No, let me see it.
Why?
Hey.